So this is a quick unboxing video of HSBC Travel One card. So in the box you will get this. This is a leather finish box, and you will get a pamphlet which says what is the limit you got and how to unlock all the travel benefit. And this is the card. On the back side of the card you will get your name as well as the numbers, and then when you open this you get some stickers. This is one, it's good, another one, and you will get a benefit. What are the benefits you will get? So 4 reward points on 100 rupees spent on flight, travel aggregator and foreign currencies, 2 reward points on 100 rupees spent on purchases, and 4 complimentary lounge access, and 6 complimentary domestic lounge access per year. And you have all the travel partners 1-to-1 conversion. So also, what is the rewarding benefits? So you get 1000 cashback, postcard hotels, and 3000 worth of 3000 and a 3-month easy diner membership on rupees 10,000 spent, and 10,000 reward points on spending 12 lakhs on your anniversary years, and 3,000 bonus points when you spend 1 lakh in the 90 days. So a lot of milestone benefit. And aggregator details, and the best part is you get this passport holder. This is good, this is premium, and you get this mobile card holder. This is also good, and a back tag. This is what we have in the box. Thank you.